Saturday, the 11th of February, 2023. We're coming into Rome, Georgia. On Georgia Highway 20. It is about 1 o'clock, 50 degrees. We're going to update the construction on the Varsity here in Rome, Georgia. We're also going to take note, I think the last time I came through here, the Krispy Kreme was closed. It is a cloudy, overcast winter day. Looks like we may be getting some rain anytime. I'm pretty sure the Krispy Kreme is closed. Well, somebody looks like they're trying to order there. Maybe they're just... No, they're not closed. How about that? I thought they were. The lights are out, or look like they're out. But anyway, we're not going to have time to stop for that. We'd be in the middle of the intersection. Just call me Red Light Ricky, I guess. Is up here on the right. You turn up here at the Home Depot and go down in that shopping center right across from the Home Depot, and that is a very good Mexican food truck, original. Very nice family, very good food. Eaten there multiple times, never been disappointed. Okay, we've got to go through 1, 2, maybe the third light and turn right, and the Varsity construction will be right there on the right. It's the old Dairy Queen here. So we're going to turn it off until we get across that until we get across the bridge at the Etowah River up there. Rome, Georgia traffic, 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, folks. You know, I was wrong. It's the second light. We crossed the bridge and now we're turning right. MLK Boulevard. I think this is Georgia 53. It still have the Dairy Queen sign up here. Are they just teasing about building a Varsity here? It says sold. They've got the building torn down. They got the silt fence up. Gate is open. Let's drive in and see what's going on. This is what has been advertised as going to be the Varsity in Rome. They have made no progress. I like to have that building right over there. So it's sort of crock-woogie in the place. Yeah, but look, I don't know. I don't have any more information than what I have already provided you. We will exit and well, we're going to have to go all the way back around, aren't we? Okay, well, we're going to turn it off. I think we're going to ride up to, it's probably going to be packed like sardines. Probably going to take 53 up to Calhoun, check out the Loves and the Buc-ee's. If the Buc-ee's isn't too crowded. If it's too crowded, I'm not messing with it. We'll go into Love's and get a cup of coffee. Okay, let's turn this bad boy off here, and we may video 53 to Calhoun. We might do that.